Hey guys, I'm Simon. So last time we created this table in our database, the table called views inside our tests database that we created from Java. So today, or in this video, we are going to create we are going to insert into this we are going to insert some data into this table. Okay, so from here we want to first connect to the database, the SQLite database. Then next we prepare the insert statement. If you will use parameters, like you don't want just to pass things direct, like insert this one values, you want to pass parameters, like you want some, if a user puts some input, you want to take that data into the database. You don't just want to insert something directly, like it doesn't make sense. So you use question marks as those parameters. Then create the instance of prepared statement from the connect object. That we will see how to do that. From the connect method, we will create the connect object, of course. Then after that, set the corresponding values for each placeholder using the set method of the prepared statement. Okay, that one is simple. Let's see. Then you execute the update method. Execute update method of the prepared statement object. Let's see. Now first, this method here is creating a connection to the database. My database is in SQLite JDBC tests. That's where my database lives. I don't know where yours lives, but if you are following along, the same place. So it's here. It's in this database that we want to create, that we have a table called views. Now we want to insert data into that table. After creating this connection, we return the connection object. This object here is what we are returning. Then creating new rows. We are now inserting new rows. While inserting, we pass parameters. These are the parameters I was talking about. So if you know SQL, standard query language, you will know that we have value and whatever we want to insert, like insert into views. This is the name of the table. This is the name of the table. Then these are the parameters. Then these are the question marks that we were talking about. So when a user, you don't put like for name, you could do something like Mercy, but we don't need to really do that. I don't think if there is a program that does that. We need user from somewhere. We need data from somewhere. So we insert that data into the database. So for that case, we use question marks. Then this is creating another object, an instance of the connection statement of the connection object. Then here, this is where we do this. That's where you create an instance of the prepared statement of the connection object. This is creating an instance of the prepared statement. This is the prepared statement. You could change this to anything you want, but I used that of the connection object. Now this is the connection object. Okay, sorry about that. This is the connection object. Then of course we give it this data. Let me see from my database what we need to insert. Now from the database we have ID, I think ID, name, age, country, time. ID will be updated automatically. So we have to add this time. Time is real data type. I think real data types is quite complex, so we won't go much into that, but of course you'll know. So I'll try and insert these. These are the rows, by the way. This is the row: name, age, country. So the first, our object, we need to add the, yeah, it's correct. It's correct. These are the rows. These are the columns, I mean. It's one row, but these are now the columns. In the first column you have name, second column you have age, third column you have country. Meaning this one is name, age, country. So when we are inputting, we need to follow that order: age, name, country. Okay. Then this where we call the execute method of the prepared statement. We throw in here if there is. Now from the main, to insert rows, we'll do something like app dot insert. Insert. Now everything is string here. Name will start with John as usual. Bento. Age, because it's a string, age should be an integer. Of course, when you are creating database, we ought to have created something with integers. But age, we can now say Bento is old. Then the country is United Kingdom. You can see I have errors. What are the errors for? We are passing strings, so we expect strings to be inside these marks. Okay, strings must be inside these marks. Good. Then I copy this. Now this could be variables. This could be a variable containing a name that user will input. This one as well and this one as well. So that's why it's good to use that. Then the next person should be, let me say, Patel. Panja. From this guy is youth. Is from India. Then we can have Peng. Peng. Peng can be young. Then from China. Chinese are always young. They look young. From China. Then of course I won't forget my viewers from Nigeria. From Nigeria, Kwonko. I don't know. I can say the Ogunbo is a youth. From Nigeria. Let's run and see what it has to throw. I don't like videos taking long. I think it outputted successfully. Now we need to refresh, then check. Oh, it's not inserting anything. This is interesting. No error. It's not inserting anything. Now this is what makes programming interesting. When you run into errors, start debugging and see what the problem really is. That's when you enjoy. Now it's not inserting something. This could not be the problem. No, that's not the problem. The problem is let me pause. Now I tried rerunning it and I hope it's now doing well. Hope it will work. I just hope so. But let's see. Now if we go to data, yes, every data. In fact, it's in meaning I didn't refresh the first one. The first time I ran, I didn't refresh the table, so I couldn't see the data. Or at least it didn't refresh as I wanted. So bye and see you in the next video. I'm really interested in finishing this series so that we start working on a project. Of course, we'll decide on which project to do. Maybe we want school management system, maybe we want a music playing app, we want something, I want a big project. You can suggest a project in the comment table, in the comment section. Or if you don't want to use the comment, you can email me at let me give my emails. I'll give my email at the comment section. Okay. But I prefer comment, so I see which one has many likes. Or WhatsApp me. I'll give my details later. Bye.